Hey, I thought I'd share with you all, based on some of the videos that I did yesterday about God Force, the Unity Wave. God wrote my timeline, the Unity Wave, and how that relates to 15D or how that relates to 3, right? And pressure sensitive, holographic, mathematical, divine right order, divine right mathematical order to experience being right on time, to experience a true vacuum, the EKKA Core. So I was reminded, because I know how the system works, because I grew up in Newport Beach, California, and I took to the waves, right? As the waves break, right? And spin. And so I was immediately reminded, for example, that's a free wave, right? Riding Mother Earth as free waves. The spin. So when you grow up in Newport Beach, it was sort of standard protocol that if you wanted to graduate to experience more powerful juice, like in pineapple juice, pineal juice, you want to go to the islands of Hawaii, and particularly on the North Shore during the wintertime. So I was reminded, because I pulled it up in my filing system, of how, for example, when it learns through us what we value, that is free, then what do you think it does, what it is in the future? Monetizes it. And that's how it works with trophy hunters, cyber wars, headhunters. And so what happened is they took a wave, or what we perceive as a wave. It's not costing us anything to experience the wave, the waves, the visual, mathematical, divine right order, and the timing is perfect. And just to give you an example of that mathematically, is I remember when I was at Hanalei Bay, which is on the north shore of the island of Kauai, Lemuria. And so there I was. This was in the spring, I believe it was March of 1973, before I was going to go chase the spirit of fire with the application of tetrahydrolase, water worlds. I took off on a 15-foot wave. And that wave catapulted me like a catalog in a filing system. Just got launched out into the air, because the amount of energy that was represented by that wave catapulted me out into the midair, and then came crashing down and kept pushing me down and pushing me down and pushing me down and pushing me down. So now I got to motor my fins, and I had my arm up high. I got to find the air above the water line above the water line with the crystal spiral. Wow, there it is. I thought I was almost out of air. Now, on a dimensional scale, on a visual mathematical scale, I measured it, because God Force let me know the wave pushed me down 30 feet. I had to climb 30 feet to find the air on a 15-foot wave. That is divine right mathematical order and divine right mathematical timing to breathe. Kundares. Ah, yeah. The pink Rosetta. 15D. Being 3 and 1. The branch of a golden triangle. Courtesy of the silver and gold mated one, the God Force Unity Wave as an integrated circuit, experiencing being one with the first one, the eternal one, the eternal wave, the Unity Wave. Ah, yeah. Kira She Ashlam Ta Ikashadur.